What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to log out of Gmail account on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all open Google. Now in Google click on your profile icon and then click on this down head arrow and then click on manage account on this device. Now from here click on Google and then it will show you the Google account that you have added to your phone. Now to log out this Gmail or Google account from your phone, click on this more button and from here click on remove account. So when you will click on remove account, this Google account or Gmail account will be logged out. So that's how you can log out of Gmail account in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.